Hello everyone, myself Amol Gosavi, working as an assistant professor in Institute of Engineering, Department of Computer Engineering, MIT's Visual Knowledge City, Adgaon, Nasik campus. So it was a course introduction session for third year computer engineering student, and the subject was software project management. As you know, the software project management, it was the process of planning and the leading software projects, and it's also include the subdivision of project management in which that software projects are planned, implemented and controlled. The basic goal of the software project management is to understand, plan, measure and control projects that delivered on time and on budget base. It was involved gathering the requirements, managing the requirements, then controlling the progress and following some software development processes. And the importance of this subject was that software is very highly unpredictable, that and the management that has greater effect on success and the failure of the project than technical advancements. So this content or this session covered course prerequisite, then course outcomes and course content. Just see that one. So the course outcome: on completion of the course, the student will able to comprehend the project management concepts. They were able to use various tools of software project management. Student will able to schedule various activities in software project. They are able to track a project and manage changes. They able to apply agile project management, and they also able to analyze staffing process for team building and decision making in software project and management. So the course content, it includes introduction to software project management. So unit 1, project definition, project versus flow type work, project life cycles, then process and knowledge area of the project managements, then build and buy decisions, then that WBS, work breakdown structures, then some introductory part related to the PMBOK and the program and portfolio management. The unit number 2 consists of project planning and project management tools. It will include some project planning tools. The steps for project plannings: PERT, Gantt charts, Gantt project, Microsoft project, Primavera project management softwares. Then the objectives of the activity or activity planning, then more project scheduling, activities sequencing and the scheduling, network planning and modeling, along with the formulating network models also. The unit number 3 consists of activity based scheduling. So it was including some objectives of the activity planning, project scheduling, then sequencing scheduling, network planning models, then formulating network models, activity relationships, forward pass, break pass techniques, and critical path and concepts and the remedies. Unit number 4 consists of project tracking and control. That was included introduction, collection of project data, visualizing the project, cost monitoring, earn value analysis, project tracking, change control mechanism, SCM, software configuration management, managing contract and contract management. Unit 5 consists of agile project management. So predictive versus empirical management covered here, comparison between non-agile and agile projects, 3 stages for the agile project: estimation, scope, management, roles and the responsibilities, scheduling and tracking, that was involved in this unit number 5. Unit number 6 regarding to the staffing in the software project. So you are going to managing the people, organization behaviors, methods for the staffing selection, motivations, the Oldham and that Hackman job characteristic models, stress, health, safety, ethical and professional concerns, working in team, decision making, then organizational structures, disperse and virtual terms, communication engineers and the communication plans, that was involved in this unit number 6. So it's all about your subject. Thank you.